Recording in progress.
So, hi Tim, good morning everyone. Yes, Tim. Uh, See here, in yesterday's session, we discussed some queries. The queries like scalar subqueries. Scalar subqueries we completed. Okay. The scalar subqueries we discussed only 2 or 3 examples only we completed. So what is the definition of scalar subqueries? Scalar subqueries definition is subqueries are placed in column list. Subqueries are placed in column list. Outer query. Column list of outer query. Subqueries are placed in column list of outer query. That is called as scalar subqueries. We can. That is called as scalar subqueries. Now, the scalar subqueries, the subquery should be written single value at a time. Single column and also single value only. Not more than one column, not more than one value. Why not more than one column? Because in the select statement, you can select one by one column. This is the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. This square also should be written single column only. Okay, na? That is. Now, yesterday we completed one query to display employee details and corresponding department by sum of salaries. So, first employee is working in department number 20, guys. This is got 20 department sum of salary. The second employee is working in department number 30. 30 department, all employees sum of salaries. How this query is executing means, from employee table, we selected first record from employee table. The first record is 7369 Smith clerk to 920. Now EDA DEP turnover right now how much? 20. Salary sum of salary from MPV department number equal to 20. EDA DEP turnover currently 20 na? 20 department sum of salary it displays. Second query is fetching from employee table. 7499 Allied salesman 1700. Here it is checking else. 30 here. Again 30 department sum of salary it displays. Just like okay. So the next one is write a query. So write a query to display department name and try to display department name wise, how many employees are working, Just like the expected output is D name and number of employees. Department name is accounting. Number of employees 3. Research 6. Sales 6. This is a 5. Suppose this is the example case. I want to display this type of data, but department name is available in department table, sir. Employee records are available in employee table. Right or wrong? Then, how to display this record? First, from department table, I am selecting first record means So department name and department is number of employees. Means 10th department, how many employees? 3 employees. Just like that. So select D dot D name, comma. Select D dot D name, comma. Count of staff from EMP. Is it valid? No. D dot D name, comma. Select count of staff from EMP where department number equal to D dot DEP tenure as number of EMPs from DEP to DPS. Guys, how this query is executing? How this query is executing? First from department table, first record is fetching, sir. What is the first record? 10 accounting New York. But in select statement, I selected only department name only. I selected, but internally, number of location also is coming internally. If you want, you can display no issue. But here I want display only department name only. Okay, accounting. What the corresponding department number? 10. Okay. Parallelly, this query also executed. Select count of star from EMP where department number equal to 10. Means 10th department number of employees are displays, 3 employees. Okay, next record is fetching from department A. What is the next record? 20 research Dallas. 20 research Dallas. Okay. So 20 means research. Now department number 20 is displays. Department 20 displays. 20 department number of employees. 5 employees. Same like 30 also. But 40 no records are there. That's why 0. So this is an example of our to display department name and department wise number of employees are working. Same like you can display minimum salary, maximum salary also you can display. Suppose here I change suppose location wise. Okay, I change the query location wise. Location wise means first location is New York. New York, how many employees are working? Okay, no issue. You can do this department name wise. Okay, right. Now one more query, guys. Write a query to display in each location, the employees minimum and maximum salaries. Right, I could display in each location employees minimum and maximum salaries. This is a query requirement, guys. This is the query requirement. This is a query requirement. In each location, employees minimum and maximum salaries. So same above query ditto, just only D dot location is changed. Comma. Select minimum salary from EMP where department number equal to D dot DEP DNO as min sal, comma. Location min sal. But generally what you are thinking, guys, we want to display minimum maximum salaries now. So simply we can place min comma maximum from here. Okay, from DEP to D. So department table first record is fetching 10 accounting New York, Here first New York displays, the New York department number is 10 here. So the subcategory returns 10th department minimum maximum salaries. Because right department is 10, right? So 10th department minimum maximum salaries are displaced. But execute this query, you got error. Too many values. Why this error comes? Too many values. Why this error comes? See here, just now today we discussed the subquery should be written single column at a time, sir, not more than one column. Right or wrong? So, write single column only. Not sorry, comma. Next, max of sal as location max. That's the query, guys. From D, B to D. Yeah. See? Okay. So, according to the scalar subquery rule, the subquery should be written single column only. That's why here, this is the one single column. This is another single column. Right, guys. Now, last location, Boston depart location, no employees are working. But right now, nulls are coming. In place of nulls, I want to display 0, 0. In place of nulls, so to display 0, 0. Which function to use? Anybody can tell. Which function to use? Instead of nulls, I want to place zeros. Anybody can tell. Which function to use? Guys, place your answer in the chat box, guys. Instead of this nulls, I want to place zeros. Which function to use? We discussed already. In functions concept, we discussed, guys. Place your answer in host. Replace. Okay. NVL. Yes, we try to use NVL function. NVL. NVL. Okay. Now, NVL function to use. How it is here. NVL. If any time minimum salary returns null, takes a 0. If any time maximum salary also returns null, takes 0. That is. Observe this, guys. Yes. This is our complete query. To display department wise, location wise, minimum and maximum salaries. Each location, minimum salary how much? Maximum salary how much? Right, guys. These are some examples. One more Example, guys. Write a query to display department wise salary percentages. To display department wise salary percentages. To display. That is. Okay, fine. How to display, sir? Department wise salary percentages. See this employee table. Select department number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by DEPT. This is called department number wise sum of salaries. 10th department sum of salaries, 20 department sum of salaries, 30 department sum of salaries. Along with I want to display here percentage also. Out of total number of total salaries, out of total sum of salaries, 10th department percentage how much, 20 department percentage how much, 30 department percentage how much, we want to calculate. How it is? How it is, guys? See, we know percentage, how to calculate percentage? Here, suppose I can find select sum of salary from EMP. Total employee sum of salary how much? 30,425. Okay. Yes, not department number, not a department number. Select 10th department salary how much? 9050. Okay. By total sum of salaries 30,425. Okay, na? This is into 100 into 100 from real. This is called 10th department percentage. How much? 29.745 percentage. Out of 30,425, 10th department percentage, right? How much? 9050. Total sum of salary. The percentage is 29.7. Same like I won't display 10th department 20, 30 also along this output. Here I won't display percentage also. Along this output means same query continuation. Huh? Okay, same query continuation. This is the department sum of salary, right? I take alias as DEPT sum salary. This is department by sum salary. Comma, comma. Next, what I want to display? What we want to display? This is the formula. Salary. This salary belongs to which salary? Sum of salary, na? Department sum of salary, right or wrong? Department sum of salary, right or wrong? Yes. So, sum of sal by. So sum of salary means that is suppose 9050 by next total sum of salary I want to take. Total all employee sum of salaries. Here you can write one query. Select sum of salary from EMP. Okay, now? So this is the department by sum of salary. First record is taking 10 9050. So 9050 by 30,425 it is taking. 425 it is taking. Okay, guys? Right. Into 100. 9050 by 30,425 na into 100 as a PCT percentage. DEPT percentage, department wise percentage from EMP grouped by DEPT and remaining query is common, sir. This is the common. Here I write down from EMP group by DEPT and observe this, guys. Yes, here exactly. Exactly this. Okay. This type of queries we can implement by using our scalar subqueries. We can implement. Okay. To display job wise, suppose job wise percentage I want to display. Clerks percentage how much? Managers how much percentage? Simply what do you write down? Okay, job. Okay, here you can take job, here you can take job. You know, I want to display location wise percentages. Then location wise percentage. Then same you can implement. In above example, we write down location wise sum of salaries we can display. No? That query here you write down. That is enough. So this is an example to find the percentages. By using this scalar subquery, it is possible. Different places, guys, we can use it in scalar subqueries. It is also important query in real time we try to use. But out of these five queries means single row, multi-column, correlated scalar. These are five types totally. From this now, single row, multi-column scalar queries, most number of cases we are using. Single row, multi-column and scalar. Correlated rare cases we can use. If it is required, then we can write because by using correlated, what happens now? Performance is decreased. But by using scalar also same like scalar subquery also decrease the performance, guys. Why, sir? Because in employee table, how many records we have, that number of times. Okay, correlated subquery I am discussing. The correlated subquery we have one formula is there. Yesterday we discussed. What is the formula? If autoquery executes n times, subquery also executed n times. Suppose my table contains 1,000 records. Autoquery executes 1,000 times. Subquery also executed 1,000 times. That is first. Okay, guys. Right. These are the total 5 types of subqueries. Next one is nested select we have actually. Nested select. Select within the select is called as nested select. Select within the select is called as nested select. We can. See one example. Write a query to display. number of employees, number of departments, and number of grades I want to display. See, number of employees, number of DEPTs, and number of grades. Number of grades. Now, so number of employees means it is available in employee table. Departments, number of departments are available in department table. Number of grades that is available in one more table we have salary table. These are number of employees, number of departments, number of locations. Right guys. Now select, again select count of staff from EMP. I write down as a number of EMPs. That is number of employees. Select count of staff from DEPT as number of DEPTs. Select count of staff from salary grade as number of grades. From which table? EMP DEPT na salary grade. From dual we write down. Means these queries, these are the queries. These queries I want to execute only one time. These queries executing only one time, sir. That's a DL. Number of employees are 14, number of departments are 4, number of grades are 5. Means in single query, multiple tables information we can display without writing joint queries also. Without using joint queries also we can display. But the same query you can implement by using join. But performance is decreased. Okay. So first priority goes to, if you try to write any query, first you can try with subqueries topic. If it is not possible, then you can go through the joins. Some queries you must write by using joins only. By using subqueries not possible. 100% it should be write joins. Yes. But if it is required, then we can. Okay, right? These are. Right guys, these are the total subqueries topic. And day before yesterday, I given some queries. Now today here I am discussing answers. Try to check. Write a query display who are getting more than clerk's salaries. In the organization, which employees are getting more than clerk's salaries? I want to display. More than clerks means first I try to find select max of salary from EMP where job equal to clerk. First I try to find out clerk's maximum salary. Who are getting more than this maximum salary? Automatically getting more than clerks. So select start from EMP where salary greater than, we write down. Your salary greater than, we write down. This is right, guys. Next one, write a query to display senior most employee details. Senior most employee records I want to display. So senior most employee records means senior employee records from the organization. Which employee is senior? Based on their date of joining, Smith is a senior person because he joined in 80. Remaining all are joined 81, 82, 83. So select. Generally, we write down max of hire dates. Senior means automatically what you're thinking, guys? Max of hire date. That is wrong. Max means the latest record displays, latest employee joining. You try to write min. You should be right, guys. Min of hire date from EMP. You write down min of hire date. That is senior most employee record. Date of joining comes 17th December 80. So which employee getting more than, sorry, that employee record I want to display. That employee record means select start from EMP where hire date equal to enough. Where the hire date equal to this one. Yes, it displays. Write a query display who are joined after joining of Ford employee. Who are joined after joining of Ford employee. First, we try to find out Ford employee date of joining, right or wrong? Select hire date from EMP where ename equal to Ford. Ford. Okay. So who are joined after joining of Ford? After joining of Ford means select start from EMP where hire date greater than after joining of Ford. It displays. This is a query, guys. No row selected. Why, sir? When the code is joined? Actually, no code. Okay, na? In my table, the code is not available. I write on Miller. Yes, 2 employees are joined. Miller. Okay? Because I updated my table, na? Code updated with Archana and Hemant actually, previously. Okay? Miller. Right, guys. So write a query to display Smith employee boss name. Who is the boss of Smith? You are a Smith, suppose. Your name is Smith. I want to display your boss name. Your boss name is, in your record, you have an MGR is there. Your name is Smith. Your boss ID 7902. 7902 match which employee? Hammond. Means your boss is Hammond. I want to display Hammond name. Then how to display? First you try to find out your boss MGR. Select MGR from EMP where name equal to Smith. First your boss ID you try to find out. How much? 7902. So select name from EMP where employee number equal to enough place. And this is the example, guys. Right. Right eye will display latest employee joining details. Latest employee means senior most employee displays here. Latest employee means max. Max. Done. So right eye query display which employees are getting more than salaries between 10th department salaries. Who are getting salaries between 10th department salaries? What are the 10th department salaries? Tenth department salaries. These are. Who are getting between means 1400 to 5100. Okay, because minimum salary 1400, maximum salary 51. Who are getting more than in between these? I want to display except these employees. These employees don't need to display now because my requirement is who are getting between 10th department means except 10th department remaining employees are getting salaries from in between. Then how to write? Then select start from EMP where DEPT NO not equal to 10. First of all, not equal to 10. Except 10th department. And I want to take 20 and 30 departments. Okay. This is means, except this means remaining salaries, remaining departments, 20, 30 is taken. From this 20, 30, shall between, how much? Can I write 1400, 1400 and 5100 can I write? Yes, you can write displays output. But thing is, 1400, 5100 static values. Because in the organization, the employee salaries are changed, right or wrong? Not exactly fixed. No? This query should be executed anytime, sir. Dynamically, I want to execute this query, but this is a static. Every time displays 1400 to 5100 only it displays, sir. Then what we can do? What we can do? See, above query expression, okay, where shall between, I want to take 1400. How to take 1400? Select min of salary from MP where DEPT and equal to 10. Okay, between and select a max of sal from EMP where DEPT and equal to 10. Complete it, guys. Shall between 10th department minimum salary 1400 and 5100 is fixed. See, same output comes. But this is the dynamic. When I discuss this one. Okay. This is the query. Right. Sir, why are we have DEPT 10? Why are writing department 10 here? Dharni is asking one question. See, what our query? Who are getting salaries between 10th department salaries? In between 10th department salaries, who are getting? Okay, which employees are getting salaries between 10th department salaries. Means 10th department salaries I try to find out. Between means range. Range means 10th department minimum salary, 10th department maximum salary, in between salaries who are getting the organization. That is query. That's why we are right on DEPT 10. No, where DEPT not equal to 10 means what happens, guys? Except 10, 20, all comes. See, okay, then what you are saying, suppose here I don't DEPT 10. Observe this, 900 comes now. 900 is between 10th department salaries? No. Okay, 900, 1350, 1200, 10050, these are not coming. Okay, that is right, guys. These are the different types of SQL subqueries what we discussed in the last session. Okay. Write a query display in which department maximum number of employees are working. In which department maximum number of employees? See, select start from, sorry, DEPT and count of start from this is the department wise number of employees. Which department number of maximum number of employees are working? 30 department. I want to display 30 right now. I want to check 30. I want to check 30. I want to display this. How to check 30? Because in 30 department maximum number of employees are working. If you try to write this query, having also is required, guys. Having is also we are using right now in this query. How it is? This query we know this prashna. Now having, I write on having, because after group by if you want to check any condition, having is required. Having count of star is equal to I think nested group is not supported here. Nested group not supported. See, in this place, this is a group function. Then here what happens, guys? Here what happens? Report 30 comes now. Now first subquery is executed. Group by DEPT NO, count of star number of members are coming. This is coming. Out of this, I want to find the max. How much max? 6. Your subquery right how much? 6 returns. Observe this. How much returns? Subquery 6 returns. Now the 6 equal to this output we know already. This is your output. This count of value means 653. Na? First 6 is checking. 6 equal to 6, yes. First checker displays. Next one is 5. 5 equal to 6, false. 3 equal to 6, false. Only one time is true. 30 department, maximum number of employees are working. Okay. This is a query to display. Here we try to find out department number, we try to find out. Count of star is not required. Depart number, here we try to find out. Department number. This is the query. IS1 query, this query extension, write a query to display which department number of employees working and their details. How to write, guys? Corresponding data I want to display. Corresponding employees. That means who are working in department 30 I want to display. Then above query extraction, guys. Simple na. Above query returns how much? 30 returns, right? So now this query becomes as a subquery right now. This query becomes as a subquery because here 30 returns. Bracket, open bracket. Here you can put the closing bracket. Now this query returns 30. Then where DEPT and equal to 30. Where it is? Here. This query runs 30. Then self star MPV department equal to 30. Observe this? Yes. Personal employee records are displayed. These are the queries we can implement, guys. One by one, step by step, we can implement. At a time, directly we cannot write the query directly, sir. It's not possible. If any senior person also, senior most person also cannot write directly. He is implementing step by step, step by step, step by step. Okay. Right, guys. These are the some subqueries topics in our database. Okay. So the next one is pseudo columns. What next one? Pseudo columns. Next one. Okay. Okay, Pushpesh. Just a minute, Pushpesh. I asked management. Just wait, team. I asked management regarding Diwali holiday when they declare. Okay, either tomorrow or Monday. I don't know exactly. Just wait. Because if they declare Monday is holiday, na, then tomorrow we have the session actually. That's why. Okay, na? Just wait. I can come. Sorry. Right, guys. Tomorrow has no session, guys. Okay. Tomorrow no session. Next session on Monday we have the session, guys. We have the session on Monday. Okay. Right. So these are the subqueries. The next one is pseudo columns. What is the meaning of pseudo column? Pseudo columns means predefined columns. Predefined columns Basically, columns are two types: predefined, user-defined. User-defined means we can define our own columns. You create employee table, employee ID, designation, department number, job. These are the columns you can define according to our database table. These are the user-defined. Next one is predefined. Right, guys. Okay. So predefined columns means defined by Oracle database. Oracle provided some columns also. We can use that columns. But difference in between two, your user-defined columns are valid within the table only. Within that table only. Employee ID created employee DB table. That column we can access in, it is available in employee DB only. We cannot access any other tables, right or wrong? But pseudo columns not like that. These columns we can use it in any database table we can access, we can use. Okay, right. So what are the pseudo columns are there? And each and every pseudo column examples we discuss one by one, guys. Okay, right. So Oracle predefined columns. Oracle predefined columns. Predefined columns are called as pseudo columns. Oracle predefined columns are called as pseudo columns. Pseudo columns. Okay. Right. Pseudo column is a column and not related to any table, and it is applicable for any table. Pseudo column is a column not related to any table, not only belongs to particular table, and it is applicable for any table. It is applicable, sir. What is pseudo columns? We discuss one by one, guys, the coming session. Try to complete this subqueries, and also just now we completed only two topics only in SQL, constraints and subqueries. In SQL we have some few topics we have, and we can start TLS also we can start. Okay, na? Right. Now out of only 40% course completed, 40% only completed. Okay. Right, guys. So guys, tomorrow no session, guys. Next session on Monday we have the session. Okay. Any doubts in today's session, guys? Thank you, sir. Okay. So thank you to everyone. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Thank you, team.
Recording stopped.